Creating your own trail mix is a fun and simple way to indulge in a personalized snack that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Here's a guide to mixing your favorite ingredients into a delightful blend that satisfies your taste buds while keeping your health in check. Start with a base of nuts. Consider buying raw or lightly salted almonds, cashews, walnuts, or pecans. These nuts not only provide a crunchy texture, but are also packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. If you're feeling adventurous, try incorporating more exotic nuts like macadamias or Brazil nuts for unique flavors and nutrition benefits. Add some seeds for an extra crunch. Seeds like pumpkin, sunflower, or chia can add a satisfying crunch and are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They're also a great source of fiber and healthy fats, making them a perfect addition to your trail mix. Throw in dried fruits for natural sweetness. Raisins, dried cranberries, chopped apricots, or dried mangoes serve as natural sweeteners. When adding dried fruits, ensure you choose unsweetened options to keep your mix as healthy as possible. Dried fruits provide a burst of sweetness along with antioxidants and vitamins. A touch of dark chocolate. Adding a small amount of dark chocolate chips or chunks can elevate your snack with its rich flavor and subtle sweetness. Dark chocolate is known for its heart health benefits and can satisfy your sweet cravings without being overly indulgent. Optional, spice it up. For those who enjoy a little spice, consider adding a sprinkle of cinnamon, cayenne pepper, or even a touch of sea salt. These spices can enhance flavors and add a new dimension to your trail mix. Mix and store. Once you have your desired ingredients, mix them in a large bowl. Ensure an even distribution of nuts, seeds, fruits, and chocolates to get a balanced taste in every bite. Store your mix in an airtight container to maintain freshness and enjoy it as a handy snack on the go or a quick energy booster during your day. Creating your own DIY trail mix not only allows you to customize flavors, but also ensures you know exactly what's in your snack, making it a perfect choice for health-conscious individuals. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorite blend.